One. So in this video, I am gonna do a jackfruit seed punch. So these are 5 jackfruit seeds that I'm gonna boil until soften, and then I will be right back. So what I'm gonna do is to put the jackfruit seeds into some water and enough water to cover them, and just boil them on high heat until they are softened. So the jackfruit seeds are boiled, and which takes about, I would say, about 20 minutes. So now what I'm doing is to remove the casing from the seed. Casings and the brown section are removed from the seeds. Now I am gonna put the seeds into a chopper just to blend them out. It's not a lot, but it is the amount I need to make 1 glass of punch. So in a blender, I am pouring the jackfruit seeds paste. So I'm using a tin of not supplement. Oh, why did I say supplement? I am using a tin of Nutrament. I cannot drink supplement. I'm gonna pour some of the Nutrament into the blender. Here, I'll leave a little bit here now. Yeah. A little bit of vanilla, or a splash of vanilla, which is equal to about, I would say, half splash of vanilla, which is equal to half teaspoon of vanilla. Little bit of nutmeg, ice, and now I'm gonna blend.